Hey, welcome back. Haven't seen you for a while. But guess what? Do you like my new dew? My branded shirt? But anyway, let's get cooking. We're doing something really great today. We're cooking salmon with a hint of Jamaican and a dash of Texan. So I went to the local store and got myself some salmon. We have it salmon steak and salmon slice. I'm gonna open it up now and show you. And the whole idea of doing it this way is to show you how quickly it can be prepared. Just gonna rinse it off. So this is like a garbage bag I have here, and for the other piece. So the reason why I have two different types of salmon is to show you the versatility of what I'm going to prepare. Plus, I wanted to get more than Dane. And there we go. So I'm simply going to pat it dry. So I'm going to put a little olive oil, just a drop. Smear it. And I'm doing this that it will hold the seasoning when I put it on. There we go. So now, it's a little soy sauce. There we go. And now it's time to add my Jamaican jerk food, Uncle Dennis's jerk marinade. Good stuff. Now normally, because it sits in the fridge, I'm gonna stir it up a little bit before I start. And there I am stirring it up. The smell of home, the smell of Jamaican, and the smell of things to come. And what I'm gonna do is just put this on like that. You notice I didn't use a lot, right? I'm gonna brush it on. And the reason why I didn't use my finger in this instant is because it's a tad bit spicy. And I'm gonna paint it on like Picasso. I'm gonna flip it. I tell you, if you could just smell through the camera, you'll be in heaven just like me. I noticed this is not even 5 minutes as yet, and the whole process is going to take less than 10 minutes. The smell of home, the smell of Jamaican jerk. And I tell you this is perfectly priced, and it's available on Amazon. And remember, I'm in Texas, so to have Jamaican jerk sauce like this, Jamaican jerk marinade, is heavenly. So I'm going to prepare it two ways. I'm going to let it sit for maybe 10 minutes, and this is how I'm going to do that part. I'm going to bake it in the oven, the salmon steak. Pick up my little foil, don't need much. And because I want to get every bit of it, I'm going to, see? One thing about cooking, you got to get intimately involved. I'm going to do it this way so I can test it. And the other one, I'm going to wrap in saran because this is going to be on the stove top, okay? Get everything off it. Just gonna wrap it like this. I'm gonna leave it here for about 10 minutes. So far we've spent 5 minutes and it's 10 minutes. You'll be surprised how quick this is gonna be ready. See you soon. I tell you, there's something about cooking that makes you also want to smile and be happy. And when you smell the taste and smells of home, you get that much more excited. So, like I shared, my oven is on. I'm gonna put it on for 15 minutes because of the thickness. Da-da-da-da. And all I'm gonna do is slip it in here like that and start. And then a little olive oil on my stovetop. And the magic will begin. So you've seen me put my salmon steak in the oven. I'm now going to put my salmon fillet in olive oil on my stovetop. Just gonna, is it? I've had these pans for quite some time. They might look burnt out, but trust me, oh, they're good inside. So all I'm going to do is unwrap. I tell you the smell. I'm going to slowly put it in there, and then I'm going to cover it. And there we go. Low temperature. And we're good to go. And we're going to be having this with creamed potatoes and salad on the side with some store-bought lemonade. I tell you, good stuff ahead. See you soon. Okay. Oh, look at that. Ah, yummy, yummy in my tummy. So look what we have here. We have creamed potatoes. We have baked salmon steak, jerk baked salmon steak, and then we have stovetop sliced salmon. Which should I do first, Dane? Because both of them smell yummy.
They look so good, I'm gonna jump up and push you out of the way yet.
No. No. Cooked just right. Look at the colors. And I tell you what, the amount of jerk sauce you use or jerk marinade is up to you. I barely use it and it seasons it true and true. No? Let me try my stovetop. The crispiness of the skin. That's all for now. See you soon. And guess what? I'll enjoy this for both of us.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. If you like what you see here, please leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. DJ2.